Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the coolant reservoir tank on a BMW X5. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. Gather your tools, including a screwdriver set, pliers, and a new coolant tank. Locate the existing coolant reservoir tank, typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug and allow all the old coolant to flow out completely. Once drained, disconnect the various hoses attached to the reservoir tank. Remember to also unplug any electrical sensors connected to the tank for a full removal. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, you can now unbolt the old reservoir tank. There are usually a few mounting bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, carefully lift the old tank out of the engine bay. Now, take your new coolant reservoir tank, position it correctly, and secure it firmly using the mounting bolts you just removed. Finally, reconnect all the hoses and the electrical sensor to your newly installed tank. Begin filling the new reservoir with the correct BMW-approved coolant, ensuring you don't overfill. After filling, you'll need to bleed the cooling system to remove any air pockets. Run the engine with the heater on high, monitoring the coolant level and topping up as needed. This ensures proper circulation and prevents overheating. Don't forget to check the description for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.